To get started, locate the diagnostic port of the motorcycle, connect the power vision, turn the ignition on, run stop switch in the run position. Give the power vision long enough to see the two double arrows in the upper left, which means it should be a sufficient amount of time to generate the PV info file you need. Turn the motorcycle off, connect the power vision to your computer with the USB cable. Navigate to our website, Dynojet.com, hit the sign in button in the upper right, and make sure that you're logged in. From there, go to the Tunes menu, take you to the Tunes page, and then select where it says click here to download PowerVision 4, PV3, or PowerVision CX tunes. Click anywhere in the Browse field, navigate to the PowerVision drive, open the PV Info folder, select the pvinfo.txt file and open, then hit Submit. Down below, you'll see the Dynojet pre-configured tunes available for the selected motorcycle. Browse through the list, find the one that's most appropriate for the year, make, model, and modifications, and hit the download button. Unless you've directed your computer to save the tunes elsewhere, they'll generally go to your Downloads folder. Single right-click on the tune file itself and select Copy. Then, simply navigate to that PowerVision drive, single right-click anywhere in that folder, select Paste. That'll allow you to save the tune right into the device itself. Disconnect the USB, reconnect to the bike, ignition on, run stop switch in the run position. From the main menu, select Tuning and Flash Tune. From the next menu, select the tune that you'd like to flash to the bike in question. Once you've found that tune, hit the Select button, review the notes to make sure it's the correct tune, hit the Select button again, and then hit Select to flash. That's it. Let it complete the flash and you're ready to ride.